Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the fascinating world of coins, their history, and their value. Today, we're exploring the 1983 UK 1 penny coin, a small yet significant part of British numismatic history. In this video, we'll discuss its design, composition, historical context, and its current market value. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this video will provide everything you need to know about the 1983 1 penny coin. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. The UK 1 penny coin is part of the decimal coinage system introduced in 1971. Before this, the British monetary system operated on pounds, shillings, and pence, which was far more complex. The decimalization process simplified everyday transactions and aligned the UK with modern currency systems. By 1983, the 1 penny coin had become an essential part of daily life in Britain, used for everything from vending machines to public transportation. The 1983 penny, in particular, holds historical significance as part of a series that symbolized the modernization of British currency during the late 20th century. Design overview. Let's take a closer look at the design of the 1983 1 penny coin. On the obverse, or front, you'll find a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. This particular version of the Queen's image was designed by Arnold Machin and features her wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. This portrait appeared on British coins from 1968 to 1984, making it an iconic representation of the Queen during this era. The reverse of the coin features the crown portcullis, a design that symbolizes Parliament and has been associated with British coinage for centuries. Designed by Christopher Ironside, the portcullis is surrounded by the words 1 penny, with the denomination prominently displayed below. Specifications and composition. The 1983 UK 1 penny coin has some distinctive physical characteristics. It measures 20.3 mm in diameter and weighs 3.56 grams. The coin is made of bronze, which is an alloy composed of 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, and 0.5% tin. This composition gives the coin its classic reddish-brown color, which is both visually appealing and durable. It's also worth noting that 1992 marked a shift from bronze to copper-plated steel for UK pennies, making earlier bronze pennies like the 1983 edition particularly interesting to collectors. Mintage and availability. In 1983, the Royal Mint produced over 403 million 1 penny coins for general circulation, making it a common coin. However, coins from this year are notable because of their inclusion in special proof and uncirculated sets. These sets were created for collectors and are of much higher quality than standard circulation coins. The proof coins, in particular, feature a mirror-like finish and sharp details, making them highly desirable among collectors. While the circulated 1983 penny is relatively easy to find, proof and uncirculated versions are far less common and hold greater value. Circulated and uncirculated value. When it comes to value, the 1983 UK 1 penny coin is generally worth its face value of 1 penny in circulated condition. However, uncirculated coins can fetch higher prices depending on their condition. Coins in mint-state condition or those graded by professional services can range in value from £1 to £5. Proof coins, especially those still in their original packaging, are even more valuable and can sell for £10 or more. As always, the rarity and condition of the coin are key factors in determining its market value. Errors and varieties. One of the most exciting aspects of coin collecting is discovering error coins, and the 1983 UK 1 penny coin is no exception. Errors such as misaligned dies, off-center strikes, or die cracks can make a common coin highly collectible and significantly increase its value. For example, if you find a 1983 penny with a double die or an unusual minting error, it could be worth anywhere from £50 to £100 or more, depending on its rarity and the severity of the error. If you suspect your coin has an error, it's worth having it authenticated by a professional to confirm its value. Proof coins and collector sets. In addition to regular circulation coins, the Royal Mint produced special collector sets in 1983, which included a 1 penny coin in proof or uncirculated quality. These coins were struck with extra care, resulting in sharp details and a polished finish. Collector sets from 1983 are still sought after today, and the individual coins within these sets often sell for higher prices. If you're lucky enough to own a proof or uncirculated 1983 penny, it could be worth adding to your collection or selling to a fellow collector. Market trends and collectability. The UK 1 penny coin remains a popular choice among collectors, both for its historical significance and its affordability. While the 1983 penny is not rare in circulation, its appeal lies in its role as part of the broader decimal coinage series. Collectors often seek to build complete sets of pennies, making coins like the 1983 edition an essential piece. Market trends show that high-quality coins, such as proofs or uncirculated examples, continue to command attention and higher prices, particularly among dedicated numismatists. Tips for collectors. If you're interested in adding a 1983 UK 1 penny coin to your collection, here are some tips. First, focus on condition. Look for coins with minimal wear, sharp details, and a strong luster. Second, consider purchasing proof or uncirculated versions for added value. Third, keep an eye out for error coins or unique varieties, as these can be both fascinating and valuable. Finally, always buy from reputable dealers or auctions to ensure authenticity. Building a collection of UK pennies can be a rewarding and educational experience. Cultural and historical significance. The 1983 UK 1 penny coin is more than just a piece of currency. It's a snapshot of British history and culture. The coin's design reflects both the monarchy and the parliamentary system, symbolizing the balance of tradition and governance. As part of the decimal coinage series, it represents a pivotal moment in the modernization of British currency. Even though the penny may seem small in value, its cultural and historical significance makes it a meaningful addition to any collection. In conclusion, the 1983 UK 1 penny coin is a fascinating piece of numismatic history. While it may be common in circulation, its design, collectability, and potential value make it an interesting subject for collectors and history enthusiasts alike. Whether you're drawn to its historical context, unique errors, or high-quality proof versions, this coin has something to offer everyone. Thank you for watching this video on your channel Coins Value. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on coins and collectibles. Until next time, happy collecting!